Hello. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I am Julia and I love making videos about lifestyle, fashion, hauls, outfit try-ons, wedding stuff, travel, all the things. And today I am super excited because today I have a styling video for you. If you watched my last Abercrombie haul vlog, you know that I bought myself a pair of barrel jeans from Abercrombie, but they came in and they were a little too big. So I finally got the resized barrel jeans. I'm so excited to try them on, and in today's video we are going to style barrel jeans. So let's get into it. The barrel jeans are in. I had originally gotten a size 26, and when they came in, the jeans were just too big. So despite the fact that I don't feel like I'm a 25, I guess in this particular style, I am a 25. Oh wow, because these fit so much better. Holy crap, these fit a million times better. Oh my God, I'm so excited about these. Okay, I'm gonna need to back up and then I'm gonna need to drop the camera for you guys to see them even better in a full length. But here you can see the shape of them. So obviously they go out a little bit as described. There's this entire side panel of denim. That's like how the jeans are structured. That's what makes them the barrel jean. I also have to say, I think I'm gonna have a little bit of trouble styling them, only in that I feel like a really thin, low cut sneaker would look best with these jeans, and I don't really feel like I have those. Like, I feel like these jeans are made to wear with a pair of like Sambas, whereas I feel like most of my sneakers are a bit bigger and chunkier. So we're gonna have a little bit, I think, of difficulty in figuring out how to style them, but I'm so excited because they fit, they look super cute. So let me drop the camera for you guys to see how they look as is, and then we're gonna get into styling them. So here you guys can see how the jeans look. This is what I was telling you about when it comes to that kind of side panel of the jean. It goes all the way down. I got a short. Obviously, I really, if you're a short girl, always go for the short when it comes to Abercrombie pants. You won't be disappointed. You'll honestly just be so happy that you did, because in the few times where I've gotten the not short version of the style of pant that I'm going for from Abercrombie, I feel like they're always too long, and then I'm stuck either trying to style everything with really high heels, or I need to just go get something hemmed. So always go for the short. I got the medium wash for the jeans. Oh my God, they're so cute. They're so fun. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna try them on as outfit number one. We're gonna try them on with these New Balances and this white tank. So let's try that on first and see how it looks. What I will say is the reason why I'm hesitant that this is gonna look good is that I think that what's gonna be more flattering with these jeans is to show a little bit of my ankle. They aren't like a full length to the ground style of jean. And so because of that, because they're not meant to like go over your pants, I feel like I need to like have a little bit of ankle showing, versus like right now all you can see is sock, and I feel like that ends up shrinking my legs. So I'll show you guys this. This is outfit one. I need to look in a mirror to see how I like it myself, but let's just go with it as outfit number one. So now that we've tried the jeans on with these bigger sneakers, here's what we're gonna do. Outfit two, I'm gonna keep the tank top. I'm just gonna go for a Ked style sneaker to see how that looks. And then outfit 3 and 4, we're gonna do a little bit dressier. I have two particular pairs of shoes in mind that I think are gonna look great with these jeans. So let's get into outfit number 2. Okay, you guys, outfit 2 is a swing and a miss. So we're gonna do like 2A and 2B because 2A, these look terrible. But I told you I was gonna try them on, so I have to show you. I put them on with the kids. Matt is totally right. Matt was like, it kind of looks like clown shoes, and nothing truer has ever been spoken. These really do look like clown shoes. The jeans are too big for this delicate, thin little of a shoe. So maybe my theory was totally wrong because I actually like the way the New Balances looked way more than I like how this looks. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm actually gonna try them on with like a thicker, chunkier shoe. I'm gonna grab my Nike Air Maxes, which I think are gonna look really good with them. And then we'll move on to some fancier, dressier options with the jeans. Okay, outfit 2B is so good. I paired them with my fun, cutie little Air Maxes, and they're perfect. So my theory was wrong. The jeans definitely look better with a chunky sneaker because I think this looks adorable. I love how this looks with the Air Maxes. Let me get closer for you guys to see just how fun these shoes are. Even the laces are so fun, and the colors of these are just amazing. The orange, the green, the little purple. And then they're different on the different shoes. So we've got the purple here, the orange, the green. Oh, it looks so good. I absolutely love how these look with the jeans. This is an adorable little outfit. I honestly would just like throw over a sweatshirt. I saw a girl that I follow literally wear these exact jeans with a little sweatshirt. She had the sweatshirt tucked into the jeans and she was just wearing sneakers, and it looked so freaking cute. I absolutely loved the outfit. So this is a super simple outfit, but it's a classic. I think it looks super cute. Again, the chunky sneakers really do fit with the jeans. I was so wrong about going with like thinner, smaller shoes. Before we move into some fancier outfits, I actually have one more kind of a chunky shoe that I want to see if it's going to look good for fall with these jeans. So let me try on outfit number 3. I threw on my little booties. I need to go look in the mirror to see how this looks, and then I'll give you guys my verdict. I feel a bit neutral as it relates to wearing these. I don't hate them with the jeans. I don't love them, if that makes sense. Could I wear these out for like a fall outfit? Do these little slipper shoes, the jeans, and a sweatshirt? Absolutely. And I wouldn't feel like I look bad, but I also wouldn't feel like I look super cute. So these are definitely an in-between. I think that I like the way that these look a lot more with my ultra high-rise ankle straight style of Abercrombie jeans. So I'll probably honestly stray away from styling them too much with these chunky slippers, but I wanted to at least just try it on to see how I like it. Don't hate it, don't love it. Outfit 3 is kind of coming up neutral for me. So now that we're gonna move into a little bit of a dressier, I wanna see if I can dress these jeans up. They definitely lean more casual, but I wanna see if I can't dress them up. So let's go for outfit number 4. Outfit 4, we went a bit dressier, and I think you guys are gonna be split in the comments about whether or not you guys like this outfit. I personally really like it, but I know that silver isn't for everyone. I know that this bag is not for everyone, although I will say when I styled this outfit, meaning these shoes and this bag with a jean skirt and a black tank top, I got so much feedback. You guys freaking loved the outfit. So I went with a similar vibe. Like that was my inspiration for this outfit. We've got obviously the barrel jeans. We have this long sleeve slim sweater top, also from Abercrombie. And then we have the Steve Madden silver flats that are a little sling back. So you can see right here with a tiny, tiny little heel, as well as this silver bag from Amazon. I feel like the silver definitely dresses it up. The flats are super cute and kind of dressy, so that also helps to dress it up. The bag serves to dress it up. I also feel like this black long sleeve is a bit of a more dressy item. So the jeans are definitely the most casual part of this outfit, but I really do think it works. I think it's pretty cute. curious as to what you guys think of this outfit. What I'm gonna do next is change my top to a different black top, and I'm also going to change shoes into some black. I was gonna do these little black heels, but I actually wanna see how the jeans look with these black booties that I have, so I'm gonna change. Actually, you know what? No, I think I'll keep the top, but I'm gonna change the shoes and change the bag to go for like an all black moment for outfit number 4. Or is it outfit 5? I honestly don't know where we're at. So the next outfit, hold on. Okay, you guys, this outfit, outfit number 4, might be the best one. We kept on the long sleeve slim sweater. I grabbed this black little handbag. This is from Amazon from the brand JW Pie or Pay. And I grabbed my new Dolce Vita black boots. Oh my freaking God. You guys, I absolutely love how this looks. I'm obsessed. I think this looks so freaking cute. How good is this outfit? I think the boots really dress the fuck up of the jeans. Like, they really, really dress the jeans up. It looks super cute. I also think the pointy toe looks really good. I have this pair of white little booties that I was thinking of styling, and maybe I will for a bonus outfit at the end. But I'm like, oh, the pointy toe is where it's at. I don't think a round toe booty is gonna look nearly as cute or flattering with these shoes. I think the pointy toe just helps to like elongate my leg and create a more like, I don't know, it makes me look a little bit taller than I actually am. So I think this looks super cute and is flattering, whereas I think that a round toe boot might kind of shrink me a little. It might not look as cute. I might feel like I look like a dumpling or like a potato. So we'll see. But I absolutely love this outfit. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. This is like the perfect fall look. I'm absolutely gonna be wearing this for like a little date night with Matt in the fall. This is just perfect. It's perfect. Oh my gosh, I honestly could not love this together anymore. I was so excited to try this on, and the second I put the boot on, I was like, yes, 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 yes. This looks so good. This makes me this makes me feel like I need a pair of now pointy toe white leather boots. AKA, I have a shopping problem. I'm obsessed with fashion and I just can't stop. So someone chime in the comments that I don't need that, but this is outfit 4. This is definitely my favorite. I love it so much. So let me go try on one more pair of shoes because now I need to see how the round toe shoes are gonna look. So let me try on outfit, what I think is gonna be outfit number 5. You guys, this last outfit is just as good as the one before because I was incorrect. I do have a pair of pointy toe little booties. They're these fun, sparkly little cowboy booties from Betsy Johnson. I paired it with this white long sleeve. I'm obsessed with this outfit. Like, how freaking cute! I think this one is just as cute as the one with black, and I would pair a white bag. I just forgot it in the closet, but I've got this white long sleeve shirt. Here are the booties. You can see they've got little pearl details on them. Oh my God! They are absolutely adorable. I think they look so freaking cute with the jeans. Again, I am definitely convinced the pointy toe looks a lot better than the round toe shoe with these pants, and I just think this outfit is absolutely adorable. I love the little heel of the booty. Oh my God, it just looks so cute. So what I will say is I think some heeled booties and or some chunky sneakers look perfect with the barrel jeans. Definitely size down if you are getting these because they are a mid-rise jean. I don't think they make a high-rise barrel jean. So I got the mid-rise, and again, I had to size down because my normal size, which is a 26, they were just a little bit too big. So definitely recommend sizing down in the barrel jean if you're gonna get them. You guys can shop Abercrombie using my link, which means that I earn a small commission. It means the world to me every time you guys shop with my link. And I hope you guys liked all these outfits. I had so much fun styling all these outfits because I'm so excited about having these barrel jeans in my closet now, and I can't wait to style them for the fall and through the winter. I'm just gonna have so much fun putting together little different outfits with them. I think this is such a cute one. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and be sure to hit the bell and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and I will see you guys in the next one.